All right, hello everyone. Welcome to our first video. Well, this is gonna be Science Time with Dad. Today for you, we have a lovely experiment courtesy of Mel Chemistry. This is our starter pack with our basic supplies that we will be using for a majority of the experiments. And then this month's monthly one that we got is fire, and we're going to be doing the sugar snake and the foam eruption today. We're going to start off with the sugar snake. As you can see, everybody here has their safety gloves and goggles on, as we will be doing
and that's also
safety
mine,
first.
and I gave it to my sister. Give that one to my sister.
All right, so we're going to go into our handy dandy little box over here.
Which one? I want to do this.
Hold
Hold
on.
on, buddy.
Daddy will give you the directions.
All right, so
Ooh, liquid soap.
for this one, we have here some
gloves.
sodium hydrogen carbonate, also known as baking soda. So, and for this, we're also going to need 3 big spoons of sugar, which we have our sugar right here. This was not provided in the kit, so if you guys need to get it on your own, it just says any granulated sugar. So we're going to use that, and then from our starter kit here, we will also be needing our stove.
There's a stove.
Yes.
That's the
So,
stove.
and we will need aluminum foil to go with our stove.
Okay.
Mama.
I'm
Mama's
going.
cute little tiny stove.
All right, so this right here is going to be, can you please sit down on the chair?
Yeah, but-
As we are trying to demonstrate safety. All right, so what we're going to do here is we need to take some of the baking soda, and we're going to mix in 3 big spoons of sugar. And this is a very small bottle, but luckily for us,
They have this.
they give us
Little spoons.
a very lovely little funnel.
Do you need help?
Nope. That fits into this bottle. So I just need a spoon, which is right here.
Use the same bag for clothes.
So we've got our
Okay, then
3
it's
big
ready for your shot on the
spoons.
butt. Then it's ready for your shot on the butt.
Ah, chemicals down.
Hey, Ken, it's ready for your shot on the head.
All right, so I'm gonna get us 3 big spoons of sugar here.
It's 2 shots. 3 shots.
Hey, what are you doing?
You keep doing the shots apparently.
All right, so I'm just gonna do as it says and just get 3 big spoons of sugar.
So where did you find this kit? Where can they go?
They have a website that you can go to, and you can sign up for a
You give
subscription,
me shots.
and they will send this to you monthly.
It's fine shots.
All right, so we've got our 3 big spoons, and you can go there and sign up monthly. But I think you have to order minimum of 6 months. They will not do, as of this time,
Hey, I'm a shotter.
any subscriptions or one-time purchases. So you do have to sign up for the subscription, which I think is worth it. I did browse their library of other chemistry sets that they have, and they all look really good. Can you two please behave? Oh, you know what? They actually send you the foil that you need too. So, on the box, it did actually say everything that was included. Alright, so we're gonna make this guy.
So it comes with more than one sheet, so you can do this more than one time.
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, so we need to do that. And then here in the directions,
What is
it is showing us to wrap the foil around the sides. So we're gonna do that like so. Alright, can I have that please?
I want to do it.
We don't need that right now. Can I have that so that we have it for our next experiment?
I want to have the sticks now.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. Alright, so now we need to take a tablet of fuel, which
What's
is
a
provided
tablet of
there,
fuel?
and this is just,
That looks like
I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. It's hexamethylene tetramine.
what?
So, and this is something that they, again, include in the kit. And we're just gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy open.
I mean, good boy.
And then we place it inside of here. And then we are going to carefully
I want to do that.
take the mixture
Daddy.
that we made of the sugar and baking soda, which is this one right here.
Safety love.
All right, and we are going to carefully
Careful.
pour this in to
That's
the
enough, Dad.
fuel, like
You
so.
wasted it all.
All right, and now we need to go to the next step, which I believe,
Is it under the bag?
yes. So for this part, I am going to,
Is it fire time?
yep.
No.
So for this part,
You just
it says to remove the gloves because we will be handling fire, and they do not want that. You guys can keep yours on. And
if your gloves catch on fire.
all right, so now we're going to light it.
I'm gonna light it.
I will be doing that part. And for safety reasons, again on the picture here, as you can see, it is telling us to use the match to light one of these sticks so that we have a good amount of distance away to be from this guy.
I'm gonna back up.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and light our match.
So we should get something like this.
Whoa.
And then I'm going to light our stick.
Let's zoom up in
Maybe.
there so we can see really what's
It's on fire.
happening.
All right, our stick is on fire, and now I'm going to touch it to our solution and our fuel.
It's like a choo-choo train that has smoke out. How come it's not exploding?
Hold
Choo
on, how's it go?
choo. Woo, woo, woo. If you put that in my, it smells like the marshmallows that I have.
All right, and now, if we sit back and watch,
It looks like a marshmallow roasting.
Mm-hmm.
all right, so we'll give that a moment now as it's heating.
Choo. Whoa, it's kind of rising.
Mm-hmm.
Because this was going
And as, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's starting to puff out
I actually
and
can
rise. basically what we're doing right here,
Ah! I almost fell.
so the heat makes the baking soda decompose to release carbon dioxide gas and makes the sugar turn into black carbon. So because of this, the carbon dioxide whips the carbon into a froth, giving it more and more volume and forming the spectacular snake that we have before us. And I can actually tell you guys that this is going to be very brittle and flaky, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to actually pull this out without wrecking it. So,
It's like roasting your hands.
oh, it looks like our fuel's almost gone here. So we're gonna let this guy just keep on doing its thing.
This is like
Oh, it's gonna fall off the side.
Alright, and this is getting
It's
very
good.
hot above it, but I can tell you guys right now, there is no heat below it. If you guys want to order this kit and try it on your own at home, if
I
you
wanna
feel
do it.
safer, you can put something underneath it. But actually, oh, what I'm seeing, you guys here on the camera probably can't see, but this is definitely looks like some burnt wood. It's very, very hollow on the inside. I can actually see through it in some parts, so it's very transparent.
If you look right here, you can see some white on the inside.
Yep.
I
So
can.
we're just letting that burn up.
Oh, it's falling
Oh,
off.
there
the
goes
side.
part
And it's
of our
almost
snake.
like hollow ash.
Yep, I'm gonna see if I can get us. Oh, see, that is crumbling just like I thought it would here. And on the inside is definitely, it looks white and ashy. But I'm gonna try and stay away here and let this finish. So we're getting a very, very good snake here.
I want to touch it.
Wait until it's cooled. All right.
It's
It's
so
not
cool.
cold, but it's. I want to blow it. I want to blow it
It's a
out.
good experiment.
It's also very disturbing. Up. Okay, I will stop.
Actually, can you do me a favor, buddy, and just
Yeah.
back up a little bit and sit down?
And then I can blow it
I'm gonna zoom you
down.
guys out a little bit. Now that we're getting towards
I thought it was gonna like get in the inside because of the way that it was. I thought it was gonna shoot up at you.
No, I
like
don't think
more
it would
like a
shoot up.
faster reaction.
The next one should have a faster reaction.
Can it explode everywhere?
No, but it's going to be a foam eruption. So, but we're going to have to
Can we add it to slime?
clean this up, and then we can set up for the next one afterwards.
Daddy, when can I blow it?
Does
We
it
don't
come
have
with
to blow
a
it
little top so you could dye the fire out, or are you just supposed to let the fire keep going?
up. I believe you just let the fire keep going. It doesn't say anything in the directions. They do have an app that you can use too to supplement. I have not actually fired that up yet. I do have it installed, I just haven't gone into it. So we're gonna go ahead and let that go. And then while that's going here, we're gonna go over some of the items you get in your starter kit. So you do get this nice, lovely little glass flask here for measuring and everything. Again, this
glass
is
flask?
from Melchemistry. This comes as part of your starter kit.
And you.
So these are items that you keep for every experiment and everything. So like I said, these are glass and everything, so you'll clean them off and all of that.
This weird looking
And we
thing.
do get some rubber stoppers here that fit neatly into the flask, so that in case we have to mix any solutions or anything like that. And then we also do get another little funnel here that will fit neatly into the flask. And then on this, we do get one
Shot in the heart.
plastic beaker. Again, can be washed, and you're going to keep all these supplies. And in addition to that, we also get a very nice glass beaker. And then they give you an assortment of just what looks like standard plastic cups, I'm sure for mixing, measuring, whatever the experiments have there.
And this is for shots. Sometimes.
All right, so we're gonna put that back down. And
The
it looks
fire's
like
still
our
going.
fire's still going a little bit here, but it is almost done.
And then I can blow it down.
All right, and as you guys can see here, this is very ashy. So I do not recommend doing it under a fan or anything like that. Can you sit down, buddy, please?
I'm just a little.
So anywhere where you're gonna get a lot of natural airflow or anything like that, you obviously
Daddy.
want to minimize because we don't want these flying around on us.
I do.
All right, and
Oh,
our
it
fire
just
just
went
went
out.
out. So I'm not gonna
Sorry.
touch this.
It's the going down stuff.
So, but just so you guys can get one last good look here, that is what our end result looks like. And again, it is very ashy like if you're having a fire outside. All right, so that was our first experiment. I hope you guys had fun with us. We're gonna go ahead, clean this up, and set up for our next one.
Say bye.
We'll see you guys in
Bye-bye.
the next one.